हाय फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपके लिए फिर एक नया वीडियो लाई हूँ जो कि डिटरमाइनर्स का है। सो चलते हैं और डिटरमाइनर्स के बारे में जानते हैं। बिफोर दैट डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल and to bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos. So let's start. What are determiners? A sentence is made up of many important words. Most important of them are verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. There are so many words in determiners which are described verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Definition of determiners: a category of words that come with a noun in order to clarify the meaning of the noun are called the determiners. डिटरमाइनर्स का वर्क होता है कि वो नाउन को क्लैरिफाई करें कि वो किस कैटेगरी के। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉन्ट टू बाय दैट बुक। इट मीन्स that is determiner here which is describing which book. There are few people here. In the above examples, that and few are determiners because they are defining how many people, they are telling the quantity, and that is describing which particular book. Here I will tell you types of determiners. Determiners 5 types के होते हैं. Articles, जो कि आपने अर्लियर कक्षाओं में पढ़े होंगे. Articles, demonstratives, quantifiers, possessives, numbers. Numbers are divided in 2 parts, numerals and ordinals. Now, first of all, we'll discuss articles. You have already read about articles. Articles are among the most common of the determiners. There are 3 singular articles, a and the. Articles specify which noun the speaker is referring to. Articles describe करते हैं whether the noun is definite or indefinite. A और an indefinite article होते हैं. When you are talking about a general version of noun, suppose a dog is a good pet. A dog, not the dog. It is general. It is telling the caste of a dog. An ostrich. In these examples, the sentence is talking about dogs or ostriches. Meaning any dog. When you are meaning is general, indefinite article it is. In note, that is a could used before words that begin with consonant. Whenever you use any word that will start with consonant sound, that time you will use a, but whenever it is a sound of vowel, that time you will use a. On the other hand, the is a definite article, meaning thereby the speaker is referring to a specific noun, particular noun. So we use the there. Suppose there was a king. Now it is a king, any Raja, koi bhi Raja. But the king was very cruel. Now we are talking about the particular kings which we have discussed earlier. तो यहाँ पर एक वही राजा, एक राजा और फिर वही राजा, इन दोनों में अंतर हो जाता है. जो पहले इनडेफिनिट था अब वो डेफिनिट हो गया. Here are so many examples. The dog is barking too loudly. Okay. Now come to the demonstratives. Demonstratives are also used as determiners in English. There are 4 of them: these, those, this, that, which you know that we use for the distance and they are used in a situation in which speaker can point to the item they mean, making them even more specific than a definite article. अब definite article में हम specific चीज़ों को बताते हैं जो noun को specify करती है, लेकिन demonstrative में more surety हो जाती है उस noun के प्रति। जैसे डू यू वॉन्ट दिस पीस ऑफ चिकन, इट मीन्स यू आर टॉकिंग अ पर्टिकुलर चिकन पीस. So I don't want to go that movie. That movie, it means this is a specific movie. Okay, guys? This and these refers to items nearby. आप छोटे क्लासेस में पढ़ा होगा, आपके टीचर्स ने बताया होगा कि these and these हमेशा जो चीज़ें नज़दीक की होती हैं उनके लिए यूज़ करते हैं, और that and those items which are far away जो दूर की चीज़ें होती हैं. और this and that are also singular. You know, this and that singular noun के लिए यूज़ होता है, while these those plural noun के लिए यूज़ होता है. There are so many examples which you can read carefully and you can know the rule of that. Now come to the quantifiers. Quantifiers are determiners that indicate how much or how little of the noun is being discussed. अब यहाँ पर क्वांटिटी को डिटरमाइन करने के लिए डिटरमाइनर्स का यूज़ किया जाता है कि नाउन की क्वांटिटी क्या है. दे इंक्लूड वर्ड्स, इसमें इस टाइप के वर्ड्स यूज़ होते हैं लाइक ऑल, फ्यू, मैनी. सो हियर आर फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. ही टुक ऑल द बुक्स. शी लाइक्ड ऑल डेजर्ट्स इक्वली. A few children like lima beans. So यहाँ पर बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं जिनमें आप क्वांटिटी को बताते हैं, बट क्वांटिटी इज नॉट डेफिनेट, दैट इज व्हाई इट इज क्वांटिफायर. Now come to the possessives. When referring to a possession, to a noun that belongs to someone or something, जब हम किसी possession की बात करते हैं, अधिकार की बात करते हैं, तब हम वहाँ पर possessives, demonstrative use, determiners use करते हैं. You can use possessive pronouns to show ownership. यहाँ पर ownership, अधिकार के लिए आप possessive pronoun का use करते हैं, which are my, your, his, hers, ours, theirs, like that. Where is your car? My best friend is a cat. So there are few examples of that, and always keep in mind determinants comes before the noun and any modifying adjectives, which you have to keep in mind. In English, you can use the same possessive whether the noun it references is singular or plural. इसमें सिंगुलर और प्लूरल के लिए possessive को वैसे ही यूज करते हैं जैसे कि है. Numbers. The last determiner is numbers. The category of definite determiners. यहाँ पर definiteness को बताते हैं, निश्चितता को define करता है, which is used to indicate the exact quantity of the noun or used to indicate the order of occurrence of the noun is called numbers. यहाँ पर exact quantity को denote करने के लिए numbers determiner का प्रयोग करते हैं. And there are two types, numerals and ordinal numbers. अब उनके बारे में जानते हैं. Numerals, these include all numerical words like 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 40, and so on, etc. For example, I need 2 singers for the ceremony. And in ordinal numbers, it include all the words which numerically indicate a rank like. Ordinal में हमेशा हम rank को denote करते हैं like first, second, third, last, and so on. So now I'll show you my flow chart which I have made so that you can keep in mind at a glance. It is just for you to help to understand the determiners. So I hope you like it the video और आपको डिटरमाइनर्स आज के बाद बहुत आसान लगने वाला है. आई होप मैंने आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझाया है. सो प्लीज़ कीप वॉचिंग. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बी केयरफुल.